Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this amazing problem, and this is for Geometry Olympiad. We're given a right triangle with an inscribed circle, but we have a shaded region, and that is what we're going to find, that area of that shaded region. This is interesting, isn't it? So let's see how we're going to solve this amazing problem. But before we proceed, let us take note of the following. When we have a circle, and we have two tangent lines to this circle like this, then this theorem states that the length of this place is equal with the length of this place. So this is telling us that if the length of this part is 18, then this is 18. So if the length of this part is 12, so this is also 12. Awesome. Now let's consider the following. Let's consider the radius of this circle. Nice. And here we have another radius. Right? Okay. So now let us take note of the following. The length of this part is r, and this length here is r, which is the radius, right? Then we need to understand that the area of this shaded region lies here. We have a squared, right? And we have a quarter circle, right? So the area of this shaded region here is going to be the area of the square minus the area of this quarter circle. That is awesome. So here, I think we can use the Pythagoras theorem considering this big right triangle. So here, using the Pythagoras theorem, so here we're going to have the opposite side. The total length is 12 plus r. So that is going to give us 12 plus r whole squared. Then plus the adjacent side, the total length is 18 plus r whole squared. So this is going to be equal to the hypotenuse side. The total length is 12 plus 18, and this is whole squared. Awesome. So here, let us use the following algebraic identity. Let us take notes of this following. So a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So using this idea, so here we get this will be r squared plus 12 squared is giving us 144 plus 2 times 12 times r is giving us 24r. And then plus the second expansion here we get r squared plus 18 squared is giving us 324 plus, so 2 times 18 times r is giving us 36r. So this is equal to 12 plus 18 is giving us 30. So 30 squared is 900. So here, simplifying nicely, we get r squared plus r squared will give us 2r squared plus 24r plus 36r, that is going to give us 60r. And then plus 144 plus 36, that is going to give us, I think, okay, 144 plus 324, so that is going to give us 468. And this is equal to 900. So here we get 2r squared plus 60r, then 468 minus 900 is going to give us negative 432, and this is equal to 0. So what we're going to do here is to divide each term from both sides by 2. So here we get r squared plus 30r and then minus 216. So this is going to be equal to 0. Okay. So from here, we're going to solve this quadratic equation in terms of r, and we're expecting a positive r, right? Because we're discussing the length of a shape. So we're expecting a positive answer, okay? So here, we're going to think of two numbers that their product is going to give us negative 216, and the sum is going to give us 30. So I'm thinking of negative 36, negative 6 and positive 36. So we're going to write this as r squared, then minus 6r plus 36r, and then minus 216, so this is equal to 0. So here we factor out r, we get r minus 6, and here we factor out 36, so we get r minus 6, so this is equal to 0. So this is factorized as r minus 6 into bracket r plus 36, so this is equal to 0. And from here, either r minus 6 is equal to 0 or r plus 36 is equal to 0. So from here, remember we need a positive r, so we get r is equal to 6, and here r is equal to negative 36, but this is not a solution. Here is our solution. Okay, so we have r as 6 in units, okay? So let us take note again that we are looking for the area of the shaded region. So r is equal to 6. Therefore, each of the length of the square is equal to 6 units. Therefore, the area of square is going to be equal to r squared, which is 36 units squared. Then the area of the quarter circle is going to be 1 over 4 pi r squared, right? So area of quarter circle is going to be equal to 1 over 4 pi r squared. So this is going to give us 1 over 4 times pi times r squared is going to be 6 squared, giving us 36, and is equal to 9 pi. So therefore, the required area of shaded region is going to be equal to 36 minus 9 pi in exact form units squared, which is approximately equal to 7.725 with the devil's number 6666 units squared. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Also like, comment, and share.